गोंयांत एसटींक राजकीय आरक्षणा खातीरचे गोंय विधानसभा अनुसूचित जमातींचे प्रतिनिधित्व मतदारसंघ पुनर्गठन विधेयक 2024 विधेयकाचेर लोकसभेत चर्चा सुरू जाल्या। केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडळान हे विशींचो थाराव घेवन विधेयकाचो मसुदो लोकसभेत सादर केला। राजकारण कुशीक दवरून हे विधेयक संमत करचे गोंयचे उदरगतींत एसटी समाजाचे व्हड योगदान आसा। 19 डिसेंबराक गोंयचो 63वो मुक्ती दिन आसा। हे फाटभुंयेर हे विधेयक संमत करचे अशें आवाहन काँग्रेसीचो खासदार Captain Viriaton Kela.
The bill that has been introduced proposes a readjustment in the representation of scheduled tribes in assembly constituencies of the state of Goa. The Goa State Assembly presently does not have any reserved seat for our scheduled tribes and has one reserved seat for the scheduled caste. The proposed amendments are aimed to address the disparity in the representation of scheduled tribes in the state assembly, as it is currently disproportionate to the scheduled tribe population in the state. Since the delimitation exercise in 2002, the population of scheduled tribes has increased with the recognition of 3 more tribes. In Goa, the delimitation was conducted in 2002 based on data gathered through the 2001 census, as per which, as the minister rightfully mentioned, only 566 individuals belong to scheduled tribes. As a result, the scheduled tribes in Goa were not given a constitutional mandated reservation in the legislature. The proposed bill empowers the Census Commissioner to notify the population of STs in Goa, based on which the Election Commission will amend the delimitation of Parliamentary and Assembly Constituencies Order 2008 to make way for ST reservation in the 40-member Assembly by taking into consideration revised population. This is where the doubts arise about the real intention of bringing the bill. Will our community in Goa get representation as soon as possible, or there will be endless delay? Madam Speaker, we have delayed giving the legitimate rights to our tribal community in Goa for decades. Let us not waste any more time in deciding on this very important matter. I hope that the government does not play with words, jargons, and legal terms to delay passing of the bill.